In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds from your photos in under 10 seconds. We are going to be using a tool called Adobe Express, which is an online tool, so you don't have to install any software. It's completely free and produces high-res images. And you don't need any software skills. Because let's be real, I'm too old to learn Photoshop or
any other software for that matter.
Okay, let's begin. I've opened Chrome and let me type Adobe Express. And this is the first result you should see, Adobe Express. And this is the home page. As you can see, you can do a lot of things here. You can make a flyer, logo, banner, social post, etc. And there are so many templates and you can create beautiful images. But what we are interested in is here. In features, we go to remove background. And it asks me to upload my photo directly. On click, it opens another tab. Browse photo on your device. So we just select the photo and let it do its magic, removing the background, refining the edges, mixing some art and science, and there you go. The photo is already ready. Now I can download it. But before that, it prompts me to sign in. Signing in is easy. I just used my Google account to sign in. It was just a one-click sign in. And as soon as I sign in, it prompts me to download this image. And I can use it anytime for my creative projects. Let's see the image output, and as we can see, the output is fantastic. It has done a great job of removing the background and it's super high resolution. Alternatively, if you were already logged in, you will see this option of remove background under the section try a quick action. On the home page, remove background, choose an image. This time let's select this. Here is a picture of me showing a thumbs up, which ideally you should also leave on this video, because let's be real, if you are here till now, you are definitely liking this video. Aww. And you can save this image in your downloads. Now you can directly use the downloaded image, or you can start your creative process by clicking on the customize button, and it will open an editor where your image will show up. With a lot of other options, you can directly make your artwork right here in Adobe Express. It has a lot of beautiful templates to choose from, beautiful text styles, photos, stickers, and a lot of creative options you can play around with. Once you have the background removed, you can do whatever you want with the image. You can send it in an email, you can use it in a Word doc, you can use it in a poster. I've really tested it and tried it on different types of images, and surprisingly it does a very good job of isolating the subject from the background. And this particular tutorial will be super helpful for people to make the thumbnails of their YouTube videos. If you found my video useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel. I share videos on home decor and DIY, but occasionally, ever since my channel got monetized, I've also decided to share content on my learnings on doing things for YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!